we were selling the pound USD on Friday, guys. We hit our first target. After that, guys, the price came back up again. And today we had an opening down and the price is going down. So the question remains, what are we going to do today? The AI, guys, was selling as well. As you guys can see, it was successful as well, kind of. But my my buffer area helped me out, and instead of a buffer area, it used a counter bias target, and its target was correct as well. So let's see what happens today. But I anticipated the next move, and we had a move down. So guys, why do I compare the AI to myself? Because guys, this helps me train the AI further and do not make mistakes. Basically, I am doing this for myself because the more the AI gets better, the more I can relax and forget, uh, and chill and let the AI do the job. Because guys, as traders, the biggest problem we have is our emotions and the fear of being wrong and the will to be always right. This affects our ability to analyze the markets objectively. So if an AI is able to do this, guys, it removes a lot of stress and a lot of guesswork and a lot of emotion from the process. But unfortunately, the AI hasn't been so successful, not yet. Anyways, guys, and the best AI I could find in the market is mine. The other AIs, guys, they don't know even know what they're doing. And I don't know how do they train them or what do they do. There's an app called Finello. They do the picture thing, but guys, I tried them. They also suck. So the best one is mine so far. But I will be training it further. Obviously, it will be getting better soon. So there's that, guys. So guys, in my opinion, for today, as long as the price stays below 1.33503, guys, we are bearish and we will be seeing 1.31807, and guys, my first target would be 1.32516. These are my two targets. If we break above this, guys, we will be going for Friday's high, which is located at 1.34116. Let's see what the AI has done. It has calculated. I give it the chart. Okay, guys, so let's see what it says. It is bullish. Okay, so invalidation is 1.3321. This asset is USD CAD. What the hell? And hence, guys, we have the problem of the AI. So that's why I give it 2 times, and let's see. I give it the pound 2 times. Let's see what the second one says. Its consensus is bearish. This is the correct one. That was obviously hallucinating. The looks, it's calling this pound USD. Here it was calling it USD CAD. So obviously it was hallucinating and it made mistake. But here, guys, it did the correct analysis. So this is the AI issue we have, guys. And currently, guys, in justice analysis, I use the AI 5 times. We have the three agents, and we have before doing the analysis. After doing the analysis, we have a master consensus, which is the fourth time we use the agent, and one time, 2 times before that, guys, we use the agent. So basically, we are using the AI 6 times before reaching this analysis, but still, it has hallucinations even instead of that. So EA is getting better, no doubt, but it will take some time. So I use it as an advisor because no one else can. Everyone has their own trading style, and I use my own trading style. So guys, I need a second opinion. So it gives a second opinion. That is what matters. So guys, as long as the price stays below 1.3349, guys, we're bearish. Almost the same target as mine. Okay, guys. So agree with that. Target one is 1.32285. 32285. Yeah, it's targeting this low, and the target 2, guys, is 1.3254. Basically, its target 2 is my target 1, and my target 3, it doesn't have it. If it breaks above, the counter target is 1.3380, which is located at this high. Okay, guys, so its targets are smaller, and my targets are bigger. So there we have it, guys. Wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.